Today we're making pecan crusted chicken. We like making this entree for a couple reasons. A, it's only got 4 ingredients, so it's hard to screw that up. And B, we like cooking this in the oven or in the air fryer.
Chicken's a lean source of protein, so when you add pecans, you're adding a healthy source of fat to help create a balanced protein option.
Let's get started.
Let's do it. All right, we have our pecan crusted chicken. If you don't love pecans, you could always try this with roasted almonds. We've paired this with our veggie, quinoa, and roasted broccoli.
For this recipe and so much more, check out our website at healthystepsnutrition.com.